right, YouTube. 5:03 in the morning, New Jersey. Here we come. Let's go. All right, we just got a huge snowstorm that rolled through here in Colorado. Gonna take a couple hours for me to get to the airport today. Got some big snow drifts built up. Just another day in the life. I do it for you, YouTube.
From reality. Swinging with the trees on the beach, singing nothing gonna hold me back.
What is up, YouTube? This is Zach with Dreamedia Home Theater. If you guys aren't a subscriber already, make sure you smash that subscribe button down below and give me a big thumbs up on this video. Today, I'm gonna be heading out to the New York and the New Jersey area and highlighting some clients' homes, as well as showing off some of our preferred partners' work. You guys know that we're on a journey to put a home theater into every single home around America, and we can't do it without you guys. If you would like to purchase anything home theater related or 2-channel audio, make sure to reach out and show your support. We have nationwide free shipping and the lowest price guaranteed. We would love the opportunity to earn your business. I just wanted to make a video to really get you guys hyped to go on this journey with me. I'm over here at Denver Airport and I'm flying over to Newark, and we're gonna get this party started. So you guys gotta subscribe to the channel. I'm gonna show you tons of really cool projects, commercial projects, home projects, theater, automation, speakers, pretty much just everything, giving you guys some inspiration as to things that you can do in your own home. Well, that's all I got for you guys. Follow me on the journey, and I hope you like the content. Till next time, this is Zach with Dreamedia Home Theater. Thank you for watching. Let's go.